Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to recharge your Tata Sky account online. Open your favorite browser, go to mytatasky.com, click on Existing Customer button. Now click on Go to My Account button. Enter your subscriber ID or registered mobile number. Click on Continue. If you know the password, enter it here, or else select OTP. Enter the OTP received on your mobile phone and click on Continue. Now click on the Recharge button. Enter the recharge amount. If your recharge amount is 12 times the monthly subscription cost, you will get 1 month subscription for free. Click Recharge. Select your preferred payment option and make the payment. After making the payment, you can get free coupons worth your recharge amount. Click on Choose Coupons and add the coupons you like. Click Proceed. You can use this coupon to get discount on your preferred e-commerce sites. This is how you can recharge your Tata Sky account online.